We're so excited you're here to get set up and walk through your first Experience Baby curriculum box. Experience Curriculum is an easy-to-implement, research-based curriculum system that includes hands-on learning materials. It has been empowering and supporting educators for over 30 years and is now seamlessly integrated with Brightwheel's all-in-one childcare software. If you're not currently a Brightwheel user but would like to become one to take advantage of digital lessons, lesson plans, and assessments in the Brightwheel app, click the Getting Started link in the video description. This video is broken up into focus sections. You can navigate to different parts of the video using the toolbar below if you would like to rewatch specific sections in the future or with your teachers. You can also go to experiencecurriculum.com or email us to get more support. Our expert design Experience Curriculum Kit is mailed directly to your program each month. Experience Baby is an infant curriculum that supports relationship-based play and discovery. Let's open an Experience Baby curriculum kit and look at the resources we have packed inside. When you first open your box, you will find a Get Started kit. You will also have a teacher pack filled with materials inside a canvas bag. All of the materials will connect to the monthly theme. This one is the My Body theme, but no matter what box you have, it will be organized in the same way. You'll also have a child pack for each child. With your first order, you'll receive a Getting Started kit, which includes a Baby Getting Started guide, a pocket cube, and a Baby Continuum of Skills. First, you will find your curriculum overview. This guide will help you learn more about the program and walk you through Experience Baby. Experience Baby is a 4-part system. First, respond and follow the child's lead using the planning calendar and 36 shared experience cards. Next, play and share experiences with the child, including 9 types of play, plus stories and songs included in the monthly album. Then observe and follow the child's progress using infant cue cards and engagement tracking sheets. Finally, connect with families and build relationships by using the daily journal to communicate between care and home. In the Getting Started kit, you'll find a pocket cube. Young children learn through sensory experiences as they listen, see, and touch objects in their surrounding environment. Your Experience Baby system includes a set of photo cards that support early literacy skills by adding life to stories, songs, and games. Place the picture cards in the pocket cube so that your young children can touch and safely explore them. The Continuum of Skills will be a great resource as you plan and make goals for the infants in your care. It outlines a series of observable skill benchmarks for children ages 3 to 18 months. Each open-ended shared experience card is written to trigger 1 to 2 of these skills. Each Experience Baby Teacher bundle includes a planning calendar, 36 shared experience cards, a monthly book, a Read With Me book list, an album with 12 original songs, and storytelling tools, including a pocket cube, photo cards, puppets, and a nursery rhyme poster. Let's take a closer look at each of these items in the teacher pack. The planning calendar offers a quick overview of all 36 shared experience cards and presents a simple approach to responsive planning based on the child's interest. We recommend that during the natural flow of the day, you share experiences with the baby that supports all areas of their development. There are 36 activity cards that you will use throughout the month. Each card offers a new idea for how to play with a child to inspire communication, movement, and exploration. You can use the ideas naturally throughout the day, while a child plays on the floor, during diaper changes, or while outside on a walk. Learning happens naturally all day. Let the child's interest and engagement guide the process. Each card is color-coded. Pre-verbal communication is always a challenge. That's why we include a reference guide in your shared experience card deck. We've listed some of the most common cues you'll encounter with the translation of each. Assess the child's readiness by setting out the materials, playing a song, or sitting close by, and look for signs that indicate that the child is ready to play and engage. Check your reference card to help assess if they are ready. Purple experiences invite a child to connect and communicate. Green experiences invite a child to play and explore. Orange experiences invite a child to move and grow. Each activity card indicates the domain and the skills addressed. The supplies needed are noted on the top right-hand corner. Each activity has a reflection question and 3 levels of interaction. Children develop at their own rate. As you play, simplify or increase the challenge to best match the development level of the child. The planning calendar offers a quick overview of all 36 shared experience cards and presents a simple approach to responsive planning based on the interests of the child. Each card is numbered. There are 12 cards for each color. Use the numbers as a quick identifier while lesson planning. Your Experience Baby system includes the following storytelling tools: a monthly book, a Read With Me book list, a nursery rhyme poster, storytelling puppets, and photo cards. These tools support early literacy by creating a routine of reading and adding life to stories, songs, and games. The theme-based album features 12 original songs. Our music is also available in the Brightwell app or on your favorite streaming platform. The tracks are organized in 3 categories: instrumental, storytelling, and playful games and songs. These tracks intentionally support key infant emotional, cognitive, and physical development. Now let's look inside a child's pack. Each child will have a 56-page daily journal, shared experience stickers, and weekly engagement tracking forms. Included with the daily journal is a set of 36 stickers that provide a quick and easy way to summarize each activity in the shared experience deck. Stickers allow flexibility in how many and which activities you share with the child each day. The traveling journal strengthens your partnership with families by offering an organized and easy method to maintain daily communication. Get input from home. The first part of the journal is completed by the family, providing you with a fuller view of how the child is doing that day. Record the essentials in the daily routine section, including meals, diapers, and naps. After participating in an activity, add the coordinating sticker to the child's journal. Stickers allow flexibility in how many and which activities you share with the child each day. Capture highlights of the day here by adding personal notes. The Collaborate space provides a communication channel between you and the family. Jot down ideas, questions, and suggestions and encourage the family to do the same. We hope you have fun experiencing preschool with your children.